Lone car, headlights pierce dark highway. Anna grips the steering wheel, her anxiety building with each mile as the haunting howls of distant coyotes echo her inner turmoil. Her face, a canvas of growing unease, hints at a past trauma resurrected by the haunting solitude of the night. In the confines of her car, Anna's hope fades as her GPS signal falters, plunging her deeper into uncertainty. A chilling nursery rhyme erupts from the radio, shattering the silence and igniting a wave of terror in Anna. Desperate, Anna fights to silence the haunting voice, her fear escalating with each failed attempt to regain control. The menacing voice intensifies, Anna's terror amplified as she grips the wheel, her fate hanging precariously in the balance. Under the cloak of night, Anna pulls into a desolate gas station, an island of artificial light in a sea of darkness. The flickering lights cast long, eerie shadows as a gaunt attendant stares blankly, his gaze amplifying the unsettling atmosphere. As Anna pays, a strange symbol carved into the counter whispers of hidden dangers, sending a shiver of dread through her. The attendant's vacant stare and the ominous symbol intertwine, amplifying Anna's growing sense of dread in the desolate gas station. On the desolate highway, Anna's solitude shatters as menacing headlights appear, relentlessly closing in from behind. Blinded by piercing high beams, Anna's heart races as a dark figure lurks behind the wheel of the pursuing car, his intentions shrouded in mystery. Desperation grips Anna as she fights to escape the relentless pursuer, her every maneuver met with escalating aggression. On an abandoned road under the cloak of night, Anna desperately swerves off the highway, seeking escape from an unseen pursuer. The car violently lurches and sways, each jolt amplifying Anna's growing sense of dread. In the dead of night, a terrifying figure materializes in the middle of the road, its eyes burning with an otherworldly glow. With screeching tires and a heart-stopping jolt, Anna slams on the brakes, narrowly averting a catastrophic collision. Trapped and vulnerable, Anna's face is a canvas of pure terror, her worst nightmares now a chilling reality. In the heart of the night-cloaked woods, Anna plunges into a desperate flight, each step a battle against the encroaching darkness. The forest's gnarled branches become grasping claws, each step a painful reminder of the glowing-eyed figure hot on her heels. As whispers rise to a deafening chorus, Anna's terror intensifies, her wide eyes reflecting the chilling realization that she is surrounded. On the desolate road, Anna succumbs to exhaustion and terror, her world closing in around her. In the ethereal moonlight, the glowing-eyed figure slowly advances, revealing a horrifying reflection of Anna's deepest fears. A chilling declaration echoes through the night. You can't escape your own demons. Darkness descends, swallowing the road and the figures, leaving only the echo of inescapable dread.